This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use vitamin C toner on your face. First, begin with a freshly cleansed face. Use a gentle cleanser to wash away any makeup, dirt, or oils. Then, gently pat your skin almost dry with a clean towel, leaving it just a little damp. This helps the toner absorb better and prepares your skin for the next steps in your routine. Now, let's apply the toner. You can either pour a small amount, about a quarter-sized dollop, onto a cotton pad or directly into your clean hands. Gently sweep or pat the toner over your entire face and neck, being careful to avoid the delicate skin around your eyes. Let it air dry for about 1 minute until it feels absorbed. For best results, incorporate vitamin C toner into your routine once or twice a day, typically in the morning and evening after cleansing. Consistent use can significantly brighten your complexion, help fade dark spots, and improve overall skin texture. Plus, vitamin C offers powerful antioxidant benefits, protecting your skin from daily environmental stressors. After your vitamin C toner has absorbed, it's time for the next steps in your skincare routine. Apply any serums you use, like a hydrating hyaluronic acid, followed by your favorite moisturizer to seal everything in. During the day, always remember to apply a broad-spectrum sunscreen with at least SPF 30 to protect your skin from sun damage and maximize the benefits of your vitamin C.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.